Hello, fellow traders. It is Nutty Bar, and it's time to do the recap. Okay, so we got a couple things we need to clear up. So if you didn't see my community post yesterday, after I did the recap, we had a gift sent down from heaven, and I guess there were some rhythmic issues yesterday. I personally did not experience any issues with rhythmic yesterday, but sign me up. But supposedly there were some rhythmic issues yesterday, and Apex. I know everyone thinks they're evil, but at least yesterday they were very nice, and they reset any red accounts yesterday were reset. So yesterday's $400 loss per account, it's like it never happened. It's like it never happened, and we're never going to talk about it again. So, love to see it. So, that really put me in a really good mood this morning. And, but yeah, let's go through the trades. So, I decided that I'm going to start trading all of my accounts on my 3-minute opening strategy. So, we did do that this morning. And the way I'm going to do it is on all of the accounts except for the 300K account, I'm going to trade with 4 micros. I'm going to do it with 4 micros, but then with the 300K account, I'm going to do it with 12 micros. So I'm basically trading with a ratio. So on my normal accounts, my risk is $200 per trade. On the 300K account, it's $600 per trade. And that's what we went in with this morning. And as you can see, it was not a good setup. Actually, you can see it better with, hang on, so here you can see it better because this is the 1 minute chart. I always trade this with the 1 minute chart, but yeah, it was just bad. I mean, this trade doesn't win all the time. I did the 6 month of back testing on it, and about 56% win rate with a really good R to R risk to reward ratio. So it's not unusual that we're going to have losses. We're going to have losses, and today was one of those days. I mean, it was it was bad. We literally bought the top and got stopped out, and of course, it proceeded to rip 300 points lower. Um, would have been really nice to catch the move. If this would have triggered short, would have been a sweet trade, but it didn't. And that's okay. We just take our loss and we move on. Let's move back to this. From there, we took a short entry right here. Our first trade of the day after the opening. A small, decent size winner. I was only trading with 2 micros because of how volatile this market was. One thing that I did also wanted to go over. Um, I was reviewing my trades the last 2 weeks. I don't know. When I go on losing streaks, I kind of get obsessed with making sure I'm not missing, like just reviewing my losing trades. I like going back and just looking at my losing trades, seeing if I'm missing anything. And a lot of times I'm like, losing is just part of trading. That's something we also have to accept. But one thing I did notice is I kind of let some trades just stop me out where instead of just cutting my losses, I just let it go until it stopped me out. So one takeaway I had was just, hey, I just want to start. If I don't like a trade anymore, it's okay to cut the trade short. And if I need to, just re-enter. So I kind of went in with that mentality a little bit more today. And that was the case right here. I went short right here, took a small profit, and then as soon as we started ripping again above this 620 level, I got out. And that was definitely the right move. We had some crazy volatility today. And then right here, I actually did take a short, and I actually did I stopped out here for break even, and I actually had my order. I wanted to go short again below this 670, and I was literally just too slow. Um, I was too slow getting my order in, and I was a little bit distracted as well. So I missed a really nice trade right here. I missed this, but I didn't chase it. I just let it go, and it was fine. Took another trade here for basically break even, and then kept waiting, kept waiting. Then I took another trade right here for a small win, and then this trade here took a short, stopped myself out right here for a small loss. And then the trade of the day was this trade here. Um, Once we kind of round, this VWAP kept holding, and as soon as we pushed higher right here, and once we pushed above this 760 area, I got long and strong, and we held. Our first profit was hit at the 778s. And then I think we had one of our bigger trades I've ever had. 95 points for the win. And right now, actually, we have made new highs. So at the moment of recording this, we were actually closed the trade up here close to the highs. But now we have made new highs, which is fine. But I was very happy with this trade. And yeah, got me from basically recovered the losses we had this morning on the 3-minute strategy, and we are green for the day, not by a lot, but it feels like a lot because of yesterday's losses not counting, and then today about $80 profit on average per account. So we will take it. We will take it, and hopefully this is the start of turning this around. That's what I'm hoping. But we'll wait and see. But anyway, that's all I got. Thanks everyone for tuning in. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Take care. I hope you guys all had a great day, and God bless.